This is industrial motherboard. This all motherboard is used for industrial purpose. Big machinery is connected to this board. This board is repaired now. See, this board is repaired now. Before it's not powered on. We connect this board and on this board. See, our pen drive is also connected, and display monitor also connected. Memory is just like laptop type memory. Pen drive display also coming, and LCD display also coming. This board is repaired, and this is a industrial motherboard. We also repair all industrial motherboards. And this is our pen drive. For display purpose we use. If there is light, display is there. If light is not blink, then no display. This board is ready now. Thank you.